Welcome to the installation video for our PSB714. Here you have the two parts of our bushing with a center metal sleeve. Lubricate the inner part of the housing for ease of installation. Then you can just pop the bushings in by hand, or otherwise, if necessary, you can use a rubber mallet. Lubricate the inner part of the bushing before then installing the sleeve. The sleeve can be installed either with a rubber mallet or otherwise using a bench vise, as you see here. And there you have our installed PSB714. Thanks for checking out our PSB installation video. We'll regularly be sharing these simple videos showcasing the different parts we have available. Please subscribe to our channel if you'd like to see a bit more. Otherwise, like or just drop us a comment. And if you want to purchase any of the parts you have seen, our online store for both Europe and North America are in the description below. Thanks again for watching.